Meet the ultimate recoil starter kit for your chainsaw engine. A complete set with durable white pulley, smooth metal pawls, and a sturdy handle with bright red striped rope. This professional-grade replacement kit ensures quick, reliable starts every time, saving you time and frustration during yard work or professional forestry tasks. Scan the QR code in the upper right corner to explore pricing and delivery options. Subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews and smart DIY solutions. Key features include heavy-duty rope, metal pawls, and reinforced plastic. Pulley compatible with models like MS660 and MS650.